Hello, I'm Pam Carruthers of HealingStars.com. Welcome to part 2 of my February-March video on astrology. Here is the event of the 19th of February. That's when the Sun changed sign into Pisces. And as the Sun changed, it moved and joined Chiron. This is exaggerating and really beginning the start of a deep healing process. This is a 7-year cycle, so it's not all over and done with in one day, as if it could be. However, also as we move days, we will see that what's going on is Mercury moves into Pisces by the 22nd, Mars then joins it by the 23rd. So we now, by the 23rd, have a different astrological picture. Moving forward in time, we get the next new moon, which is coming up on, let's wait for it, the 4th of March. It's slightly later, in 2:30, which was the time of that last one. You can see whizzing through, but by 2030, it's actually 2045, but we don't worry about precision here because I'm more interested in the energy of this. But here you see Chiron, Mars, Sun, Moon, Mercury and Uranus now all in Pisces, the 12th sign of the zodiac. So the 4th of March, new moons always begin. That's what they're doing. They're the seed each month. So this seed now is very Piscean, which means we go within, we go into the world of the sea, of the ocean of dreams, deeper and deeper. Other worlds. I'm talking other worlds. And as you can see, hopefully you can see, this is the North Node. It's now goes backwards. The nodes of the moon they're going backwards through the sign now of Sagittarius and of Gemini. This is a shift that happens every year and a half. The whole cycle is 19 years. So look back 19 years ago to what happened then for you. It will give you clues. Sagittarius is all about belief systems. Uranus is about to change into Pisces by the 12th of March. And Uranus always brings new things coming in. As you can see, it's right at a right angle to these nodes of the moon by the 4th of March. And the other thing that's happening is that the North Node, which is the top of this diagram here in Sagittarius, is now going back into joining what we call the galactic center. The sun's sun, the heart of our galaxy. So this is a very important process that we are all in this year in particular. And this is expanding our beliefs away from our little tiny planet. Notice what's going on in the world of the media, in TV. There's something called Outcast, which talks about living on another planet. Look at the movies that are going into other worlds. Inception is a film like that. It's going into the mind, the aspect of the unconscious mind. But going into everything that takes you outside the box, that liberates you from the narrow confines, as illustrated by Capricorn, which is the sign to do with Saturn and limitations, to the sign of Sagittarius, which is the archer, which looks upwards to the heavens. So I urge you during this month, this March, this new moon, to start that, to go outside, look at the night sky. By the 12th of March, we have Uranus. I'm going forward in hours. Let's try days. It might be faster. If we go through, we can see here is Uranus. It's just then moved into the sign of Aries. It did do this last year. You already know what it felt like. But now Mercury is there. Jupiter's there. This is a wham-bam energy, full force of Martian energy. Interesting enough, as it does this, Mars is in the weakest sign for itself. It's in the sign of Pisces, where it does work for others, compassion, rather than thinking of itself. So we have